All right, so look where we're standing right now on the 190 SL restoration project. So you're looking at the bottom of the car here. When we started to restore the car, we decided that everything gonna be exactly as it came out of the factory in 1959. So the color you see here is actually the color that the car was painted at the bottom back in 1959. Of course, after we finished all the metal work, got rid of all the rust, we primed everything on the bottom. We made sure, of course, we don't have any more rust. We sealed all the connections between the sheet metal, and then we primed everything. After we primed everything, we put a special seal coat on everything else. Then we painted it, and then we did 2 different clear coats on top of it. So this car basically will never get rust. Hopefully that's going to be the case. But we brought it back to original. I think we've done a little better job than what they've done back in 1959, for the simple reason because we want this car to be here 100 years from now. The trunk and the engine compartments will be black. We're going to spin the car later and paint the front of it with the black. And of course the car is going to end up being back red as it was. We got the data card from Mercedes-Benz Classics. It's a special fire red. The wheel wells and everything going to be red too. We're going to finish painting everything. We're going to do also paint protection film once we're done now painting the car. So there's going to be a paint protection on everything else, just to make sure that the car preserves the color for as long as we can. So stay tuned.